Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Canva website templates in Wix. First, choose a template in Canva that fits your vision. Customize it with your branding, colors, and content. Once your design is complete, export each page as a high-resolution image, such as a PNG or JPG file. This prepares your visual layout for transfer. Now, head over to your Wix account and create a brand new blank website. Access the Media Manager within the Wix editor and upload all the images you exported from Canva. For each section of your Canva design, add an image element to your Wix page. This allows you to place your visual design elements precisely. Carefully arrange these images on your Wix pages to perfectly match the layout you created in Canva. Next, add Wix's native elements like text boxes, buttons, and contact forms directly over your Canva images. This step is crucial for making your site interactive. Ensure all buttons and links are correctly connected to their respective pages or external sites. Before publishing, thoroughly review every page of your Wix site. Check that all text is readable, links are active, and forms submit correctly. Pay special attention to mobile responsiveness, adjusting elements as needed for a perfect display on smaller screens. Once everything looks great, hit publish and share your new site with the world. Also, be sure to check the description below for a fantastic book recommendation and other exclusive deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.